Hey, what's up? This is Ultrablaze. This is my next and probably my final project on my Ninja 09. I'm going to get rid of the stock turn signal and replace it with the universal flush mount. And in comparison, this is the size. It's 3¼ inches wide. No, sorry, two and a quarter, and then 3¼ lengthwise, and I think it's like a 1¼ height that pops out. So far what I've done is I actually taken it out just so I can make sure I can get all these steps right and make it easier on this vid. So this is the connection. It's 2 wires. Oh yeah, basically it's just 2 wires, positive and ground, and you know it doesn't matter which wire you connect to at all. And so it works. I checked it. You can try both ways and it works the same way. But here are the steps. Step 1 is to take this turn signal out. And first thing you want to do is loosen, see if you can see it. You gotta loosen that wire that connects to it. And there's just a little hook that you just unhook, really easy. And then you take a screwdriver and you screw it out. I've already loosened it, so screw it out. Alright, so pop out. Come here, baby. Okay. Then the next step is to take smaller screwdriver and take that little screw out. After you've done that, the lens should just pop right out. And then this is inside. This, just take a little tug, comes right out, real easy. And then you have 2 wires connecting, and you just pull them out. Even easier. Say goodbye to this for a while. Right there. Right there. Then this is okay. I guess this comes out. I need 2 hands. Okay. 1 sec. There you go. See? And you have your 2 wires. Best part of this mod is you don't have to cut anything or do anything because, I'll put this on zoom. If you see there, wow, that's some great quality. Wow. See how it has like 2 hooks in there? Well, on this, what kind of helmet on? I'm sorry. Oh. Dude, that's some gnarly. Oh my god, that's some quality right there. Crud. Then this, where is it? Oh, is the flush mount wire. See how that goes? And what I did was took first I took a Phillips. Took a Phillips and unhook the stock wire. Just to open up a little bit, right? Then I took pliers and squished it so it's just flat, just like a Phillips, and then I would just connect the 2, right? And then after I connect it, I just take the pliers and just hug it over, you know, just a bear hug. And after that, let's see here, if you see that, bear hug, connection is good. It's tight, but I'm going to put electrical tape around it. and then show you the next step. Alright, here's a closer look. What I want to do. Just take a Phillips, just turn it in there. Alright, makes it bigger. Then, from the universal, and squeeze it in there. Definitely gotta squeeze it a lot. And this is it. Just finished putting them on. I mean, after you know, basically the wiring, you just electrical tape it, and then just screw it in. If you use a drill bit, one that's particularly just a little bit smaller than the screw, then you can just screw it in. You don't need to use any of the washers or nuts. They stay right on, dude. Not even moving a bit. And then I'll turn on. So I mean, yeah, it's flush mount, but I think it works just as good as the stock. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. All I gotta do is take all the extra wire and fix it inside, and should be good to go. That was my last mod for now. That's what I keep on saying, so we'll see. And yeah, the universal flush mounts turn signal on the Ninja 250-09 with Leonardo.